Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Helping others. Umar and Ashar are going to school. It was raining about an hour ago. There are many muddy patches on the road. They are walking on the footpath. They see an old man crossing the muddy road. Suddenly, he slips and falls down in the mud. Umar and Ashar put their bags down and run towards the old man. They pick him up. He has a bag over his shoulder. Ashar carries his bag. They help him get out of the mud. They help him in reaching his home. They reach school late because of this incident. Miss Tahira asks the reason for their late arrival. They tell the whole incident about the falling of an old man and how they helped him. Miss Tahira is happy with them. She says, it is very important to help and respect our elders.